everyone, it's May. Thank you for joining me. Today we're going to discuss Haworthia. First off, let me say that I love Haworthia. This Haworthia Retusa cluster is currently in a 6-inch pot. It started off in a 4-inch, filling up only about 2/3 of that pot. I repotted using well-draining soil. The largest rosette is displayed in the center, and there are numerous star-shaped offsets surrounding it. What's most strikingly beautiful to me is the Haworthia's repeating geometric rosettes. It grows in a mound-like form, growing outwards and upwards, heaping in the center. Another striking feature of this particular Haworthia is the translucent windows found in the leaves called leaf windows. When light shines through these leaves, it is simply captivating. The windows are believed to assist in photosynthesis. These thrive in bright, indirect light, and they also do well indoors with sufficient light. I only water when the soil is dry to avoid root rot. However, it is also possible to not provide these succulents with adequate amounts of water. Here's a little advice. I let my plant speak to me. In the case of this plant, he's saying, "Girl, you need to give me some water." He's shriveled, and boy, does he look stressed. You can see that in his red hues, which I also think is beautiful. But make sure to always check your soil to see if it's dry before watering again. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and comment as to what you'd like to see next. Till next time.